this is the homepage of the community. Everything that's on this page in this little scroll down right here is going to be people that are looking for services, looking to collaborate with you. So if you update your profile or do anything like that, it's not going to show up in the community on the homepage. This is only for people that are looking for engineers, features, graphic designers, music reviews, so on and so forth, as you see on the left-hand side. If you look here, you have your cover photo, your profile picture, all these things. They're very simple to add or change. Same thing goes with your profile picture. Works the exact same way. You go in there, you crop it to your size, and your profile picture will be done. After you do that, you want to come down here and you want to edit your profile. You do your first name, last name, nickname, profile type. If you click here, you can be an industry pro. This is for people that are A&Rs, managers, things of that nature, and the rest is self-explanatory. Here, you can import your Spotify links, your YouTube links. All you're going to want to do is go here. You're going to go to your YouTube. You're going to copy your link, and you are going to post it on that page. Write yourself up a bio or copy and paste your bio from your other platforms. Boom, save changes. Let's go back and look at the profile so you can see everything that's on there. It shows here what you selected. You're a rapper. It shows you right here, Futuristic. So everybody can see this, your Spotify, your YouTube, your bio, all of those cool things. You can look at all the members of Indie Amplify and come through here and look and see who's online, see who's working, see who wants to collaborate. So let's go to here, Adam Amplify. Since me and him are friends, we can message each other. Right here has the message icon. If you are not friends with somebody, you cannot message them. This icon will not be there if you are not friends with them. If you'll go over here, you will see where your messages are. I have a message from Tim. I'm gonna go ahead and view this in the inbox. How you feeling about the community so far? This is big lit, man. Whoa. So say you wanna get a feature on a song. You're gonna go right here to the feature section. You're going to open a new discussion and you are going to ask to get a feature. So discussion title, I need a feature. Discussion content, looking for a second verse on this song I created for Indie Amplify. As you'll see down here, you can attach a photo, you can attach a document. So you're gonna go to here on the document, you can drop your files. We're gonna go right here to my desktop and we are going to grab this song. Done uploading, and we are going to post. If you look over here on the left hand side, it says notify me of replies via email. You can go ahead and check that box if you want to be notified in your emails. Boom, we're gonna post that up, and there it is. Now you have this song. You're looking for a second verse on this song for Indie Amplify, and you can play it right here on the desktop. All that somebody would have to do is download it, create to it, send it back to you. You will be able to comment back and forth on here and talk to people about it. If you go back to the main page, it's now on the main page. So right here, you can like it, you can comment, whatever you want to do. This song is fire. So if I was another artist and this popped up, I could comment back something like this. I'm trying to get on this. What do you think of my music? Are you down to collab? And you could go through the same process and upload some of your music, and you guys could talk right here on the community. Very easy to use. You can work with whoever you want to work with over here on this side. We appreciate y'all so much. Glad to have you a part. Make sure you sign up, and if all else fails, take your butt over to Indie Amplify and get what you need on these tabs, baby.